Well, hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Rog here, and today I'm going to make sort of a snack recipe. It's French toast with a little bit of a twist. It's a cheesy French toast with a garlicky mushroom topping. Ideal for a snack, or perhaps you could have it as a party food too. So let's carry on. So as you can see, we don't really need many ingredients for this recipe. We're obviously going to need some mushrooms. I've sliced those up quite thinly, and we need some garlic. I've chopped that quite finely. Some grated cheese. I've got here 2 eggs that I'm going to whisk up, and some bread that are cut into these nice little triangular shapes that we got here. So firstly, whisk our eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper seasoning. Dip our bread in the egg, 1 piece at a time, and get a little covering. Then we can put these to one side. We put some butter in a pan, get that to melt down. Then we can go in with the mushrooms. We can get these to soften down quite a bit, and then add the garlic. In with the garlic. There's this little stir around. These are ready, so we can put these to one side. Now in a fresh pan, I can add some cooking oil. About that much should be fine. I'll just let this heat up for a while. I'm going to place the bread into the hot oil. I can give these a little turn. To get a bit of brown on there. There we go, nicely done. Now if I take some cheese and put some cheese on each piece, then we come back to a mushroom topping. Oops, it's fallen off of there. So now if I turn the hob down to low, put the lid on for about 2 minutes just to let the cheese melt. There we go, doesn't that look fantastic? Time to plate up now. Well, thank you for watching this latest video of mine, of this sort of a snack food, but it's really tasty. It's turned out well. It's economical. We like economical. Very easy to make these, and give it a try, why don't you? And I hope that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and please leave any comments down below. I'll always get back to you and reply. I like doing that. I'll see you again next time. Thank you very much again, and bye.